back to my channel. Today we're doing another slime video and I have a special guest. And he is coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up, Naya. Hey guys, it's me, your girl Naya. And today we are back to another slime video. Like we said, make sure you go follow my page. It is Naya So Cute. And yeah, let's just do this. Today I made $9.38 by selling this. No, 38. See, look, this is the money that I made. $9.38. And then this is butterfly. And what's it for you? Put up this one. Oh my god. This is called Ultimate Butterfly. Like a bubble. Nice. I don't get to do anything. Okay, so wait, first we're gonna make better. So you guys, are you ready? Countdown, Darian, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it's my phone. I said go take dinner. No, my phone doesn't call anything.